Nifty offers a few different pricing plans ranging from a free version to several paid tiers. Here's a breakdown. You can use the link in the description to try Nifty. Free plan ideal for small teams or individual use. It offers 2 projects and 100 megabytes of storage. Basic features like tasks, discussions, and files. Starter plan, $39 per month, including up to 10 team members, 40 projects, and 100 megabytes of storage, similar to the free plan with more team members. Pro plan, $79 per month, including up to 20 members, unlimited projects, 500 gigabyte storage, additional features like recurring tasks, time tracking, and custom fields. Business plan at $124 per month includes up to 50 members, unlimited projects, 1 terabyte of storage, and all other features, including team workload management, custom roles, and priority support. Unlimited plan at $399 per month, including unlimited team members, unlimited projects, and unlimited storage. Consider your team size and project needs. If you're a small team with just a few projects, the free plan might suffice. As your team or project complexity grows, paid plans with more features and storage become more relevant. Pro is a good mid-range option for growing teams. Business caters to larger teams with advanced needs. Unlimited is best for very large teams with many ongoing projects. The free plan is a good starting point to try Nifty. Upgrading to a paid plan unlocks essential features for collaboration and project management, especially for teams. Paid plans offer increased storage, more active projects, and advanced features like time tracking, custom fields, and reporting. These features can significantly improve team productivity and workflow efficiency. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try Nifty for free.